I know it is.
Courtney has literally just walked through the door.
As soon as I see your name on the rundown, I look at what you're doing and just go, yes, Courtney's done it
He
again.
just sniffs me out. I haven't even started cooking yet.
How can I help? Would you like me to carry something, or what would you like me to do?
Just, I'll let you know
How
when
can I
it's
speed
ready.
up the process? How can I get food off there quicker? That's what it is.
It's all for show.
Oh
It's
gosh.
all for show.
I'm here to help.
Yeah.
I like to help.
As always.
These are cool. The thing is with these, look, where's Beretta? These are, I've given you a
Oh, yeah, mate.
Look,
How is it, Brett?
Sensational.
It's so good. You can find the full recipe in the Cooking with Coal section on the Sunrises website. And still to come this morning, breaking news from...
Going to do the dishes.
Oh really? What, with a plate full of food?
Yeah, it's, gotta clean this off.
Go on then.
Go to the cleaning centre. Clean off. Here in the kitchen.
You sort of eating those right to the bone.
Oh, is your
there.
battery running out?
Oh, never.
So good. My main job here is Courtney Checker. Courtney Quality Checker is the correct title, actually.
Right.
So I just
Did
come
you give
along
that one
just
yourself?
make sure once she's done the segment that the food is actually good.
Right.
I'm pleased to say today it's sensational.
You passed.
Apparently you missed the prize factory because you were out talking to me in the kitchen. But do you know what we've discovered? This is Beretta's prize factory here at the cooking bench.
Winner, Courtney dinner.